Hello friends, today I'm going to make butterfly puppet. For that we need these things. Here I'm having some colorful glitter sheets, socks, I have 2 pom-poms, and here are 2 googly eyes, and here we go. First of all, I'm going to give a mark on the socks. For that, just wearing the socks. And see, here I'm going to make the mouth. So this is the perfect place to cut for the mouth. Give small cut, not very big. See how it is? Now I've taken a red glitter sheet and given a shape of round. There are 2 corners in the round. There should be no gap, and paste it from all the sides to the cut area of the socks. See, it should be like this, and my mouth is ready. Now the feathers of butterfly. Just fold the sheet and give the shape of the wings. You can give any shape according to your choice. Now cutting it. And it's ready. Now I'm going to tell you how to cut the detail part, which you are going to paste on the wings of the butterfly. Give a fold to the sheet and draw the pattern, whatever pattern you like. Here I am drawing the shape. Make sure you need to fold the sheet and then draw the design. Now cut both the sheets together. This will help you to make opposite side of the design. Now here I have already made some of the patterns. Now paste one by one all the patterns according to your choice of design. See, this is a butterfly, and butterfly significance of so many colors. So you can add so many colors according to your wish. One by one, pasting all the designs, all the parts. Ending up with the silver round shape. See, both the sides the pattern is equally same. And it's ready. By the time it will be dry, let's decorate the socks again. Here I am going to paste a golden thick thread which I have, just to give a finishing look to the mouth. Giving the border for the mouth. So that it will hide the joining part of the socks and your sheet. See? As my butterfly is dry now, let's cut it from the center. Now divide it in 2 parts, and to the opposite side, the back side of your socks, you need to paste from the corner. Both of these sides you need to paste the wings, but make sure you will flip the wings so that the design should come with the mouth side. Now here I am going to paste the eyes. First of all, I am going to paste the pom-poms. and that's again to the back side of your socks. And here the googlies. See how it looks? Now I'm going to paste small antennas. Now it's done. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to give your valuable comments. Stay tuned for the next. Bye-bye.